Friends, Oppo A53 5G, it comes with Android 10, Color OS 7.2 and powered by MediaTek MT6853V processor with 2.0 GHz octa-core with GPU Mali G57MC3.
Whereas Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro runs Android 9.0 Pie, MIUI 10 user interface and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with 2.84 GHz octa-core and GPU Adreno 640.
If you see the display of this device, you can find 6.5 inches screen size with LTPS IPS LCD display that comes with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with 405 ppi pixels density.
Whereas Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro is 6.39 inches device with Super AMOLED display having resolution 2340 by 1080 pixels with 403 ppi pixels density and comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection.
Talking about the internal memory, then Oppo A53 5G is available in two variants of primary storage, that is 128 GB with 4 GB RAM, and other one is also with 128 GB but with 6 GB RAM. But there is no micro SD support as well. Friend, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in black, green and purple colors.
Moving on to Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro, it is available in different variants of the primary storage. One is 256 GB with 8 GB RAM, 128 GB with 6 or 8 GB RAM and 64 GB with 6 GB RAM, but there is no micro SD support. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in carbon black, flame red and glacier blue colors.
If we talk about the dimension of Oppo A53 5G, it measures 162.2 by 75 by 7.9 mm of height, width, thickness and 175 grams of weight with dual nano SIM support.
Whereas Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro measures 156.7 by 74.3 by 8.8 mm of height, width, thickness and 191 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option.
About the camera, then Oppo A53 5G comes with primary triple camera setup, that is 16 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels with 2.2, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures with wide angle, macro, depth sensor with LED flash, HDR and panorama mode. It shoots out videos of 4K and Full HD at 30 frames per second with gyro EIS and also equipped with secondary camera of 8 megapixels with 2.0 aperture with wide angle that can record the videos of Full HD at 30 frames per second.
Moving on to primary camera of Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro, it comes with triple primary cameras like 48 plus 8 plus 13 megapixels with 1.8, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures with wide, telephoto, ultra wide angle and 2x optical zoom. It shoots out videos of 2160p at 30 or 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30, 120, 240 and 960 frames per second, also equipped with 20 megapixels secondary selfie camera with 2.2 aperture, HDR, 1080p recording at 30 frames per second.
Friends, in Oppo A53 5G you can find side mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like gyroscope, compass, proximity and accelerometer. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth, FM radio, hotspot, GPS, USB Type-C, USB on the go. Charging 10 watts. This phone is powered by a non-removable 4040 mAh battery as well.
Whereas in Redmi K20 Pro you can find under display fingerprint scanner. Moreover, it is having different sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope, compass and proximity sensors. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, FM radio, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go and fast battery charging. This phone is also powered by non-removable 4000 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both the smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.